Do you own cryptocurrencies or NFTs or other digital assets? If so, you need to incorporate this into your estate plan, or they could be stuck, or even worst case, lost forever. So what am I talking about? If you own cryptocurrency, there is no easy and automatic way to make sure it goes to your loved ones after you pass away. So many young owners of crypto have no estate plans. They have no tools to let their family get control of these or inherit these if something happens to them. So what do you need to do to plan for the unexpected when it comes to cryptocurrency? So first, you need an estate plan. You should have a living trust and a power of attorney. These ensure that someone can step into your shoes if you're incapacitated to manage your cryptocurrency, and they can ensure that if it's properly set up, your cryptocurrency goes where you want it to go. But it's not quite that simple. If you're holding it in a cold wallet, or whether it's on an exchange like Coinbase or Gemini, ideally your account should be titled in your living trust. It shouldn't be in your name. You should set up a living trust, and the name of your account should be in the living trust. Now, that's very difficult at some crypto exchanges. I've personally tried that with some, and it's very difficult. Fidelity, I believe, lets you put your cryptocurrency accounts in the name of your trust. But what else can you do? Well, you should make sure they are assigned to your living trust. Create a living trust and list your cryptocurrency account the back of the trust in something called a Schedule A. It's a list of assets you want to have in your trust. You should also create a pour over will. This is something that says if I didn't put something in my living trust, I don't want it exposed to courts, I am pouring it over into my living trust. If you work with an attorney to set up an estate plan, we always create a living trust and a pour over will. And just as important, you probably should have your login information and even your passwords or seed phrases saved somewhere very safe. If you don't have these stored, it can be really hard for your loved ones to even know that you have accounts, where they are, or how to access them if something happens to you. So you obviously should keep these in incredibly safe places, like a safe deposit box, maybe spread out the information so it's not all in one place and not hackable. But we have to think ahead. If you own cryptocurrency, we have to take steps to make sure our loved ones know where they are, so you don't end up in one of those horrible situations where tens of thousands or millions are just lost in the ether. Pardon my pun there. Let's make sure our cryptocurrency is safe. Plan ahead, set up an estate plan, save that login information somewhere very secure, and make sure that all your hard-earned cryptocurrency is not lost if something happens to you. How do you think on top of this? Follow me.